This is Shelly, and I'm going to show you how to create a simple junk journal layout using just one color. If you're staring at a blank page and having a hard time figuring out how to create a layout that looks aesthetically pleasing to you when you're done, I'm going to show you how you can just get started or grab some inspiration from just one simple color. Just grab one color and that could be the basis of your whole inspired layout. For this particular layout, I went with a magenta color. So the paper that I'm ripping up has a magenta in it. So although it's kind of a vintage look, I just grabbed it only because it has the color magenta. So everything I went around the house finding, anything, any stickers, any papers, anything with the color magenta, I brought it over, put it in a pile, and then I just grabbed what I want. Washi tape. I don't know why, but I usually use 3 colors and I couldn't find an exact match, so I just went with 3 colors that kind of were similar to my magenta that would give it some aesthetic appeal, and grabbed a whole bunch of pleasing flowers that had the color scheme I was going for. And in I found some planner stickers that used the same color, and I just put those all together on this layout. And while it may look a little bit chaotic maybe to some, to me I think it's great because it's all comes together with the one color. So keep it simple, grab a color and throw some things on a piece of paper and you'll be happy with it.